So hello, in this video we will be seeing how we can use the developer API section in order to replace the variables dynamically. So let's start by creating a template first. Let's create a broadcast template and select the type as utility. Let's say send invoice dynamic. Okay. I select the language as English. So initially basically what we are doing is we are just creating a template. Okay, now let me just copy the content as well. So let's say for example I am creating a content which is specifically for sending the invoice. Okay, so here the first data which we want to replace is the name. So the first variable I use as variable as name. Okay, now second is the invoice number, and I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, invoice number. So basically we are just giving a dynamic name to these variables. Okay, now third will gonna be, let's say, date, invoice date. So in the third variable I have pasted the custom variable name as invoice date. So we need to ensure one thing, that whatever name we are creating the variable with, same has to be used in the send template variable as well. Okay, so in case if you want to give any kind of button, certainly we can. So let's submit this particular template and get it approved. Okay. So let me just quickly approve this template. So the template has been approved successfully, which is this one. So if I just open this particular template again, you can see over here we use three variables, which is name, invoice number, invoice date. Okay, and some content was already here. Now in case let's say I want to dynamically replace this content, so how we are going to do it? So I'm going to developer API and let me search it for a variable. Let's say I'm using this one, that is a send attachment with variables. In case if there is any attachment, then you can use this one. If there is no attachment, then you can use this one as well. So in our case there is no attachment, so let me use this one, that is send template with variables. Okay. So it's a simple curl which is being used over here. So let's say I want to copy this one. Okay. So here are some basic details which needs to be updated. The first is the template ID. So the first way to get all the template ID is using the get all templates. Okay, get all approved templates. Using this as well we can get the template ID. But in case if you want to specifically get the ID of a particular template, you can just simply click on the edit icon, and over here as well the template ID is mentioned. You can use directly from here as well. So let's say I want to use for send invoice dynamic. Okay, so I'll go back to here and I'll just replace the template ID. Okay, and similarly we can change the mobile number as well, whom we want to send this particular message. Okay, now in our template there is no header section, so we can simply remove the header. Okay, and let me just replace the variables as well. So in this case the variables are name, so value key will be name, and the key is basically the value which you want to dynamically replace. So this data can be fetched from your system only, or in case if you want to send out any kind of hard coded value, so you can directly do it from here as well. Similarly, if there are multiple variables, so we can add multiple variables as well, like this. Okay, so in our case it's invoice number, and we have invoice date. Okay, so let's say invoice number is INW, this is the number. Invoice date is 12th of December 2025. Okay, and let me just replace the mobile number as well. Okay, so just copy this complete. Okay, so I have replaced all the data. Template ID has been removed, the mobile number has been added. Under the body section I have added the same values and key which I used in the variable while creating a template. Okay, now let's just simply send it. So it's been successfully sent, and if I open the message as well, you can see that the data has been replaced. This dear Sahil, the name is replaced, the invoice number is also replaced, and so is the invoice date. So similarly, we can use other templates as well, okay, which is available on the platform under the developers API section. In case if you want to send out the utility as well, you can use this one, or you can directly use the current API which I just showed you while replacing the template ID with them. So this was all about the sending data using dynamic variables. In case if you have any queries, please do reach out to us.